In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Confluence from Jira. We'll take you through the steps so you can seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools, increasing your productivity and streamlining your workflow. First up, fire up your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, it doesn't particularly matter for the purpose of this tutorial, as long as you're comfortable and familiar with your browser's interface. Once your browser is open, navigate to your search engine. Now search for Jira in the search bar. Once you find it, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you are already a regular user, this should be easy and straightforward. However, if you're new to Jira, just follow the login prompts to access the dashboard. Ensure that your account has the necessary permissions to access the projects you are interested in. Once you're logged in, locate and open the specific software project in Jira that you would like to integrate with Confluence. If you have multiple projects listed, make sure to select the one you want to work on today. This is important because the integration is specific to the projects you choose. Next, turn your attention to the left-hand side navigation bar of your project. Scroll down and select the option labeled Project Pages. The location and labeling might vary slightly depending on how your Jira is configured, but it's essential to explore this segment of your interface. When you're in the Project Pages section, you'll notice an option that says Connect to Confluence. This is exactly what you're looking for, so go ahead and click on that. Once selected, a drop-down menu appears. This is where you will find all the available Confluence spaces that can be connected to your Jira project. Browse through the list and select the appropriate Confluence space from the options provided. Choose wisely, as this connection will allow you to leverage the features of Confluence directly within your Jira workspace and vice versa. To establish this connection, simply click the Connect button. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Jira project with the selected Confluence space. The integration allows you to view and create Confluence pages directly from Jira, providing a more unified and collaborative platform for your team. To recap, we reviewed how to log into Jira, navigate to your specific project, and seamlessly connect it to Confluence using the project page options. By following these steps, you'll have a more integrated experience, maximizing the functionality of both Jira and Confluence in your daily operations. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this enhances your project management workflow.